Hey guys, Fabio here. Hope you're all doing well and all had an amazing weekend. So if you guys are still interested in receiving trade signals alongside using my trading algorithm, make sure to check out my website. Link is in the description down below. Without further ado, let's dive into this video and see what is going on. So to begin with, of course, the dollar index is currently pulling back up in towards the highs, which was kind of expected. I shared a special entry strategy for these kind of setups in the VIP community. So yeah, with the community, we knew that it was likely that price was going to start heading up higher. So we've currently broken out of this range, currently moving back up in towards the highs. So for now, I'm going to be keeping an eye on this level over here at 94.352. So if we then draw in a fib, what we can then see is that that is perfectly aligning with the 786. So what I want to see is how we react to that, maybe see a trendline break retest and then either further downside, or if we do not see any rejection at all, further upside back up in towards this area of daily supply. So yep, that is it for the dollar index. Maybe a little bit of a retest this morning still possible, but I do expect us to push a little bit higher in the coming hours / days. So yep, that's the dollar index. Let's over to Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar, guys, and Aussie dollar has reacted perfectly to my area of daily area of supply. Furthermore, we also had a potential entry over here, also perfect entry over here at 0.74398. If you want to know how to enter these kind of setups, make sure to join the VIP community. But looking at the overall chart, it is looking good for some further downside as of today. Yeah, just some beautiful rejection of that area of supply. Going in towards the 1 hour at the moment. 1 hour isn't looking that clean in my opinion, but what I would do in these kind of situations is I would look for liquidity on the 1 hour, which is located over here and over here, and then I would go into, let's say, the 15 or even the 5, and then on those time frames I would kind of be looking for areas of stacked supply and demand and then trade off of those levels. So can't really see anything directly, but keeping an eye on this pair as a whole because I do expect more downside. And looking at the daily time frame, I would expect some more downside back down in towards 0.73071. Of course, dependent on how the dollar index reacts once we retrace up a little bit higher. So yeah, trading from supply, so I would prefer shorts back down in towards this area of demand. So let's go to euro dollar. And euro dollar, so euro dollar is pulling back beautifully from this area of supply, which I pointed out on Friday, alongside the fake out, or on Thursday I think it was. So yeah, just seeing some more downside at the moment. Just going to be waiting until 1.15564 gets hit before any potential longs back up a little bit higher. So yeah, that's just so you guys know, waiting for this level over here to get hit. From there, we'll see if we get those long entries. The premium community knows when to enter or not. So yeah, it's just a waiting game simply as of now. So yeah, let's go over to our next pair, which is pound dollar. So pound dollar, guys, and pound dollar at the current moment faked out on the swing high of 1.37497. We have broken through supply, so I wouldn't be surprised if we do move up a little bit higher. As you guys know, what I told you on Friday is that we have a lot of supply situated over here. However, it's not my favorite area of supply. I would have preferred price to react from this level down below over here, especially if we go in towards the 4 hour. I would have preferred a setup from 1.37125, which I explained on Friday as well. However, the pound dollar just has not been providing those setups that I've been looking for. So yeah, no real trades for me. Possible ascending channel / wedge is currently forming over here. We could see one more rise up in towards the highs again, take out that second swing high before any further downside, maybe even tap up in towards high liquidity levels before seeing any shorts on the board. So yeah, let's see. If we do crash down, just wait for a structure break and then the retracement back up in towards supply before looking for further shorts. So yeah, that's pound dollar. Let's go to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar, so Kiwi dollar as well, perfect reaction in towards my supply area. Yeah, this is all you need, guys, those areas of supply. So for now, yeah, it is looking bearish. Let's see. Going in towards the 1 hour, we do kind of have this ascending price action. So when you see those ascending corrections, just know that it is more likely we're going to see a push down afterwards. Descending corrections, likely we're going to see a push upwards afterwards. So yeah, we have seen now a trend break. So let's see, guys, if we can see a further push back down in towards lows. Currently took out this area of a higher low. I would also love to see this higher low get taken out and then a retracement, then possible entries on the board. But for now, nothing much. You could look for some lower time frame setups. Look if we have any nice liquidity on, let's say, the 5 minute. For instance, what you have over here in this particular situation is that you have liquidity situated over here, then you have a swing high situated over here. So you get the fake out on this swing high, tap in towards supply, and then the further drop in towards the downside. So these are some really nice setups which you can start trading. All you need to understand is how to take them. So yeah, that is Kiwi dollar essentially. Just going to be looking for more downside as we are coming from that area of daily supply. So yeah, let's go to gold, our last pair. And gold, guys. So gold is currently situated inside of demand. Could see further upside. However, gold has been behaving a little bit strange as of lately. I wouldn't be surprised as well if we do move down a little bit lower, let's say towards this swing level of 1745,990. But yeah, we're just gonna have to wait and see, guys. This is currently situated in daily demand, which starts over here. This is daily demand, currently situated in 4-hour demand, So from 1760 125 we have daily demand, then we could see more upside. So let's wait. Otherwise, if you do see further push down, we could still see a fake out and then more upside. If we do not see any reaction to that, just wait until we start hitting lower levels at around 1734. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure to reach out to me on Discord. Wish you all a fantastic day, and yeah, see you soon, guys. Thanks.